What's going on? So, some people requested some car footage, content, whatever. Well, give you guys a little teaser really quick. I don't pull my car out too much, but I took this video just for you guys and went and put a whole new tank of E85 in today and ran out the old one. So yeah, like I said, I'm a trucker first, do fun stuff second, but a quick disclaimer: this was in Mexico. No laws were broken in this video, no crimes were committed, and no speed limits were broken. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to cue that footage for you guys right about now. Hey y'all, Trucker Real Deal here. Just a little quick, little small footage of me driving my car. Back to that easy shit.